Hey, what's up? This is 50 Cent. We're at IFA, and you're now tuned in to All-Around-PC. Keep it locked right here. You heard me?
We're here for Allround-PC at the SMS Audio Booth. I got 50 Cent here with me. 50, why did you create your own brand?
Well, SMS Audio is, it's an opportunity for me to extend my actual musical passion, to the general public. It allows me to have people hear my music the way it was intended for them to actually hear it. SMS stands for Studio Master Sound. So, I want to be associated with high quality audio products that would allow people to enjoy it the way the process when we mixing the records, for them to hear it the way we actually heard it in the studio versus through the rinky-dink stuff that they had out there, for them to get into. And the communications, to have people, in process, I think it's the same thing that made Dre passionate about the beats actual deal. And for me, one of the important, really important parts of creating a product that I felt like would be one of the best products out was durability, making the product strong enough to withstand, a beating. Because I've had a lot of products, a lot of headsets that I broke over time that and in the middle of traveling, so it was difficult for me to just pick up another pair, like on the airplane or something, and I got tape on it, or holding it up against the side of my head, So you've seen it all too many times out there that within process. And then the Sync headset is the marquee product for SMS Audio, and it has a 16-bit lossless wireless technology that allows it to move 50 feet away from a single source of music. And it has a sync button that allows you to sync 4 of those headsets up at the same time. So I can listen to like if you had it connected to your iPod, 4 of us we can just sync up and listen to what you're listening to at the same time. And there's skip forward, reverse, volume up, volume down controls on the actual headset. There's a bass booster, so to actually offer the best musical experience was what I was attempting to do with that. And a lot of the wireless technology that you see out, the headsets that are wireless, they're utilizing Bluetooth. The Bluetooth technology was originally created for telecommunication, and it suppresses the audio file, so it's not quite as good as the clear technology that's out now. So.
And how far were you involved in the development, in the technical development?
Oh, the process for me was exciting too. The style, I had these headsets designed before I was able to get the right mechanics for it to sound properly. I had acoustic engineers help me get it to the right level. They got 40mm drivers in these actual headsets. They adjust the tuning to the size of the actual cups. So if there's a smaller version, like look, for instance, this is the Street DJ Pro. This is a DJ headset. So it has different functionalities from the other headsets that we actually have. The noise cancellation, you can hear the difference on these immediately. So there's the ability to swivel away from your ear, because the DJ had one headset up. How you see this 24/7 from a DJ, and instead of doing that, they can actually turn the side off so they can hear what you're actually doing, and it folds up. So there's a lot of different interests that I took into consideration when we was actually creating the products. And I don't think I have to sell quality. Quality sells itself. So I consider me coming to Berlin for IFA for just to raise the awareness of the company itself, not to actually sell how good the product is. As soon as someone tests it or they listen to it, they'll actually want it.
So you're talking about quality. Which is your main target group?
My main target? Well, I want from audiophiles to the everyday person. You know what I'm saying? You want the guy that feels like he wants quality music and he knows the difference. Look, I had a guy a journalist come and ask me technical questions like, is it a complete flat signal? And look, I've been around music full time since 1997, and I don't know a person that I've been around that can identify with a complete flat signal. It's such a technical term that is like, what the fuck are you talking about? You understand what I'm saying? Like I'm saying to you that I try to create the highest quality or be in that realm of high quality and really well-tuned headsets, and then away from that, in the future they'll see us go into home entertainment and into other professional audio equipment that that I'll be able to utilize inside the recording studio or in other places while I'm actually, out professionally.
Are you developing home audio products yet?
Yeah, we're in the development phases of a few projects that I'll get a chance to launch or unveil at the new CES. The new Street DJ Pro is a new headset that we launched here at IFA, and there's another smaller version of the Street over here that we launched, and I'll make sure I get it so I can show you guys. But those are the two new products that we launched here.
So great. Thank you for your time, and have a nice day.
What's the name of the show?
Allround-PC.com is our site.
All what?
Allround.
Allround-PC.
I thought he said all around pussy.